Try to return voucher below. If required to respond, do not use if not making a payment. So that's what they're looking for. That's why you haven't got your money yet. And I'm assuming it's Health Connector that has those things, because this is Mass Health. And it says, if you read it, it says Health Connector, yeah.
Oh, I'm going to take them to send that shit.
A couple days, but that's why you should have done it this week when I told you to do it.
We'll do it Monday.
Okay.
Yeah, don't throw this away. I'm putting it all in one.
Right, just put it in your drawer over here. He's swimming, baby. Can you take out the dead things and the poop in his he's swimming. Look at him, he's so cute. Backs in, jumps out, backs in. Oh, why do you poop in your water? Feels better coming out?
I gotta change the whole dish.
Right, you can change the whole dish. First it was a, now he's like, he was sitting in the sun with his mouth open. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
Basking.
With his mouth open?
It's hot.
Oh.
Come on, bud.
Yeah, buddy, you gotta get out of there.
I don't want to stick my hand in the water now.
Come on, baby, you gotta... Come on. There you go. He gets right up on the tree, baby. He's so funny. Take all that crap. Oh. Shit.
Go vacuum it.
Alright, mommy, go vacuum now that if he's gonna pull the cage.